How to make private server in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox app or website, and once opened, make sure you are signed in. Now use the search bar or navigate to the game you want to create a private server for. Remember that not all Roblox games offer private servers. To check, open the game's main page and look for the private servers section, or you can also tap on the three-dot menu or the profile menu you see there and see if the Create Private Server option is available. If private servers are available, tap on the option. You will then be required to enter a custom name for your private server. Most private servers cost Robux, that is in-game currency. Fees vary by game, but many charge 100 to 200 Robux per month. Some games offer free private servers. Complete the transaction using Robux from your account. And once you have purchased the server, on the game page, you will see a section for your private server. You can adjust your permissions and manage access in this interface. Now, further add specific usernames to your private server or generate an invite link to share with others. You can also allow everyone, friends, or friends of friends to join. Finally, launch your server and then manage your server. From the server settings, you can kick players, update permissions, or cancel the subscription if needed. So, this is how you can make private server in Roblox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.